So the topic today is only if you believe. That is the first step to success. So what is stopping people from becoming successful? Doubt. The opposite of belief is doubt. So when we have a doubt, automatically you get fear also. It's all added. So the first step to become successful is belief. Some may say, yeah, even I believe, but in the wrong things. Like some people believe that, oh, I don't have more qualification. I don't have big bank balance to start something. I don't have this, I don't have that. And they just believe what they don't have. And some believe in astrologer. Because my astrologer said, I have to go through some challenges. I have to face so much of difficulties in my life. And I can never see money in my life. I can never become successful in my life. And when you start to believe that, you remain there. That is also belief, but in the wrong things. So we are conditioned by the wrong beliefs, and that stops us from our progress. I always say, don't believe everything and everyone, not even the experts. I always say, don't